When we talk about Meghalaya Police, I salute them because of their efficiency and effectiveness in tackling the menace of drug peddlers. It has been mentioned here that their efficiency has risen up to 39% in solving cases. But here, when we talk about the efficiency of the police, I would like to club point number 4 of page number 2 along with serial number 97 of page 22. We all agree that to fight the drug peddlers, we have to find ways and means to detect their roads of travel, the means and mechanisms in which they carry the substances. When we talk of drugs, we talk in volumes of 5 grams, 10 grams, or 20 grams. I club it along with the serial number 97. The issue here is about mining. If our police have been so efficient in detecting the small quantities of drugs, I fail to understand why they fail to detect a 16-wheeler trucks or 14-wheeler trucks with 30 tons of coal traveling through our highways in broad daylight. Why they cannot detect those trucks? The issue of corruption, the allegations that we have just had a short discussion, in a short duration discussion, the point raised was about the corruption. Now, when we talk about the efficiency, can we ask, do the police choose to be selective in which areas they want to be efficient or in which areas they don't want to be efficient? That is my question, sir. If they are efficient in every area that they are posted, I fail to understand why such big trucks could not be detected.